Oh, you caught me cleaning the car. Although this is standard practice whenever we take anybody on a transfer, I'm having to do that little bit extra special job today. You'll see why. Morning, Lynsey.
With me.
Hey.
My daughter will not come with me.
Oh. Say hello to the camera.
Oh gosh, hi.
So today feels like a bit of a day in the life of a chauffeur, because I'm going down to the Excel Centre in London, East London, with Lynsey Crombie, who's aka Lynsey Queen of Clean, who does ITV's cleaning expert. So Lynsey, would you like to just lean through and tell us what you're going down to the Excel Centre for today?
Hi everyone. So I'm doing a show in London today. It's like a cleaning and organising show. So I'm going to be like on stage presenting the awards. There's all the big brands there, like Minky, Dr. Beckman, P&G. Honestly, the list is endless. So we're doing an award ceremony. I'm going to be demoing some products, and I could have got the train, but the Excel is such a pain to get to, so I thought I'd book Colin, because Colin is my usual driver. And the good thing about Colin is he's clean.
Oh,
his
thank
car
you,
is
Lynsey.
clean. The seats are clean. It doesn't smell. I hate him.
Only of aftershave.
Yeah, aftershave. Yeah, that's wrong. But there's nothing worse than like getting into a car and you just smell food or something. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then it's like stuck in your head for the rest of the journey.
And on your clothes.
Yeah, they can linger.
Yeah.
So Colin is clean and tidy. Perfect, actually, for the clean and tidy show.
Oh, thank you, Lynsey. We're going to catch up more later on. I'm going into the show with Lynsey, so I should do some more video while we're in there. But we're on the M11 at the moment, 52 minutes to go, 37 miles. So we'll catch you later. So we're 11 miles out. We've got 25 minutes to do 11 miles. We're on the M11. We're just approaching London. And I think you're okay for time, aren't you, Lynsey?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, got plenty of time. Yeah, that's good. So we're just
there's a picture
approaching
of a
the
lorry.
Excel. We've got to go to the lorry park, and we've got to find zone S4. Where did you see lorries, Lynsey?
There's a picture there. Look, lorries. Welcome to...
Oh yeah. Did you say it was an up ramp though?
That's what I remember before, but I think he said we were going somewhere different. There must be someone. Look, there's a man
Oh,
there
we'll
with a
find
yellow
it.
jacket on. Let's ask him.
So it looks like we've arrived. That's the guy we've got to meet after a bit of security gumph. Well, this has been a right mission to get into this car park. I've been pushed from pillar to post, quite literally. I have to go up round the back down to the lower level, back round again, up to West 4. And I think I'm heading for West 4 now, so let's give it a go. So finally I'm here. I'm working with Lynsey Crombie. I think I've got to pick up a wristband.
All right. Sorry, the gold's all gone.
That's right. Colour's irrelevant. Oh, silver, that's a nice one. That'll do
Absolutely,
me.
there you are.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I've just got to look around for Lynsey, but it's absolute chaos here. Not there. See if I can find her. Can I come and do some what?
Squirting.
Squirting. You want me to do some squirting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
So, yeah, you film,
Yeah.
I'll talk, and Colin will
squirt the
squirt.
dirt.
But you
Right,
can't
okay.
be seen in the camera, so do a squirt.
Okay. Which way do you want me to squirt it?
Right, let's get in position, shall we?
This is a proper hands-on job I'm doing today.
So what happens here is it goes into the dirty water tank.
Lynsey's doing a little bit of video editing on one of her social media videos. So it's time for a little coffee break. Oh, did I mention a biscuit too? Well, this as well, look. He's got one of them or one of them.
And I've got one of these.
You got one of these as well.
I've got one of them. And I've got one of them.
Amazing. Okay, so it's time to celebrate you lot. So tonight you all need to go to the pub or to Costa or somewhere and just chill. We've got the British Institute of Cleaning Sciences, Crystal, the Hanger Store, Kind Comms, the No, Product of Change, Progressive Housewares, Progressive Home and Gift.
Hey, Lynsey, if you don't ask, you don't get.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
That's from the Acevi.
And then one of them's for you.
No, there's 4 different things in there.
Oh, my God.
So we're heading back up the M11 now, and it's persisting down. It's been persisting down all the way. We've had a really good day today. Lynsey's been really busy, and this is the point where us content creators, we have to do what's called the outro. So this is the outro. So, Lynsey, what was the best bit for you today? What was the most memorable bit? And when you tell me what yours was. I'll tell you what mine was.
My most memorable bit of today.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm tired because everyone's been crabbing me, which
Yeah.
is fine. I
Yeah.
think I really enjoyed presenting the awards because it was just nice
Oh,
to
that
see
was good.
like who's been so successful this year, which is always really nice to see,
Yeah.
and to celebrate people's success.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Do you want to know what my best bit
What was your best bit then?
Being your official dirty water squirter. I love that. As soon as I walked in, it was like, Colin, can you do this? Well, yeah, of course I'll do that for you, Lindsay. Give me that squeezy bottle here. I loved it.
A day
Absolutely
in the
loved it.
life working
A day in the life of a chauffeur and a dirty water squirter.
Yeah.
That's me.
That's cool.
That's cool. So anyway, that's the outro done. That's officially what it's called as well, an outro. So hope you liked the video. If you did, press like, comment, send your comments by all means. But above all, subscribe. When you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to press the bell button as well, because then what happened? As soon as I put my next video up, and I've got a lot planned, believe me, I could go on forever, as you know, as you can see. You'll get an alert to the next video, and of course you'll be able to watch it straight away. So anyway, bye for now from me, and
Bye.
bye from Lindsay. See you later. Bye.